Today we are going to discuss a particular program, a single program, but in different ways. Means one program we are going to use two kinds of loops for that particular program. Okay, means two separate way, one with the for loop and one with the while loop. But the program is same. Now what is a program? Program is write a program that will display the factors of a number. First one is with the while loop. Second one is with the for loop. Now first, before starting the program, I think you know what is the concept of the factor. Factor means, suppose user has given 6 over here. Now if I start dividing the 6 from 1 to 6, from where? From 1 to 6, means with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, with 6. Now the numbers with which I can divide the 6 exactly, means there will be no remainder, that numbers are called the factor. Suppose I divide this one with 1, divide this one with 1, fine. So what will going to be happen? If I divide the 6 with a 1, it will be divisible. If I divide the 6 with the 2, obviously there will be no remainder. So with 3 there will be no remainder, exactly divisible. With 4, no, there will be the remainder. 5, no, there will be the remainder. With 6, obviously it will be divisible. Means if I ask you what will be the factor of the 6, the factor of the 6 will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, this is the concept of the factor. Fine. What will happen? I will accept a number from the user. I will divide that number from starting from 1 to up to that number. Means suppose user has given 8. I am going to divide the 8 starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Out of this number, with which numbers I am able to divide the 8 exactly, means there will be no remainder. That numbers are called the factors. Fine. So what I have done, I have write this one to accept a number. I have take this one variable. Okay. Now I write while f less than equal to num, means num from starting from 1, f will be gradually equal to num. Suppose user has given 6, first f is 1, then f will increment by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When the f and num both are 6, things will be loop will be terminated. Now what I have done after that, if num modulo f, suppose user has given 6. First time, what is the condition? F less than or equal to num. What is the first value of the f? 1. So if num modulo f means 6 modulo 1 is equal to 0, obviously it will be true. I am going to print the f. After that, f will be incremented by 1, means f will be 2. Condition will be checked. It is okay. F is less than the num. If num modulo f means 2 is equal to 0, obviously it will be 0. Print f, the 2 will be printed. First 1 will be printed, then 2 will be printed. Now it will be incremented by 1, 3. Obviously this condition will be true, and 3 is a factor, 3 will be printed. After that 4, no, the condition will not true, there will be remainder, so it will not going to be printed. 5, no, this condition is not going to be true. Then 6, once again it will be true, 6 will going to be printed over there, and this is called the counter variable. In the for, this will be incremented automatically, but here I have to increment by 1. Now in this way, when the f and num will be equal, then the loop is going to be terminated over there. Fine. Now the next portion, what we have done, the same program we have run with a for loop. Fine. What I have done, simple. For I in range 1 to num plus 1, because I want to divide, if user given 8, I want to divide the 8 from 1 to 8 with all the numbers. So we know that one. If I write, it will go up to 7. Num plus 1, 8. Now 1 by 1, the 8 will be, num will be divided with the numbers from 1 to 8. and which will be exactly divisible, that is going to be printed over there. Means that is the factor of that particular. Only the difference is that everything logic is same, only the difference is this one. Here I have starting value and the increment I have specified over there, okay, and the condition also specified over there, okay. So what we're going to, it will start with 1 and it will go up to the num plus 1. Here I have to, this increment I have to make specifically over there. That is the difference, but the same program, the same result will going to be come out. Okay, thank you very much. I think you have understood this program, and we are going to